cilantro is so happy. Oh my goodness. Look at this. This is such a powerful plant. It's, it's a mineral tonic. It's high in calcium, potassium, manganese, chlorophyll. It's a great digestive aid. It settles the stomach. Now, one of the cool things about cilantro is that so many of our herbs and spices are stimulating and warming. Cilantro is a cooling herb. So that's why you find it in curries. That's why you find it in salsas and hot sauces, is because it tempers the heat of the chiles and the oregano and the onions and the garlic. We add the cilantro to kind of like balance all that heat out. It's cooling to the body. So you can actually make cilantro tea if you get overheated or you're hot or you're just a hot person. Or if you, again, you live in a hot climate, you can just garnish your food with the cilantro. You just get it, you mince it up, and you can garnish with, just about any savory dish with, and it's really good in salads. And it's good for your stomach, it's good for digestion, and it cools down, like if you're overheated. It's a perfect summer food. Yeah, this is a nice plant. It's really nice to garnish your food with, any food. You can just put this on your salads and also on your sandwiches instead of lettuce. You can just use it instead of lettuce, or just put like half lettuce, half cilantro. And also, do you know what I love? Oh my gosh, I love cilantro pesto. I love mixing cilantro with arugula and basil and parsley and making a pesto. So yeah, this is a very, very happy cilantro.